Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn about plus and minus signs. The date is Thursday, 31st March of 2020. What is a plus and minus sign? Put your hands on the table. You have 5 fingers on each hand. Imagine that there is a plus sign between your hands. The plus sign tells you what to do. Count your fingers. We use plus and minus signs in math. We can also use them to count money or toys. These signs are opposite of each other. You can see the two signs. The green one is the plus. A plus sign means that you have to add, and the red one is a minus sign. This means that you have to subtract. Adding is when you combine two or more numbers or objects. The plus sign is the symbol we use to show addition. For the picture-like example, addition and subtraction are old, but the plus and minus signs are new. Ancient cultures used different symbols for addition and subtraction. Philosophers, mathematicians, and religious people introduced the plus and minus signs to the modern world. Babylonia. The Babylonians used a drawing of a pair of legs to show addition, and a pair of legs walking away to show subtraction. Egypt. The minus sign comes from an ancient Egyptian form of writing used by priests. The exact origin is a mystery. France, Nicole de Oresme used the plus sign meaning "and" in the Book of the Sky and the World in the 14th century. Germany, Johannes Wittmann used plus and minus signs to show more and less. He said that the plus sign was a Greek cross. England. The first person to use the plus and minus sign in English was Robert Ricord in his math book called The Whetstone of White in 1557. Okay, now that we learned a little bit about the plus and minus signs and how to subtract and add, we are going to continue with your books. So it's time to grab your books and continue. You'll need the pencils, erasers, and sharpeners. Page 132. Smart Mathematicians. Title says, how can you solve problems faster? Word problems tell a story about a problem that needs a solution. You can use numbers to show what is asked in the word problem. These help us understand the problem and solve it more easily. You need two things to solve a word problem: the information and the question. So, exercise 1. Look at this example. Candice had 15 rag dolls. She got 3 more on her last birthday. But her puppy ate 2 of them. Oh, How many ragdolls does Candice have now? So, she had first 15. Then on her birthday, they give it to her 3. But the dog eat 2. So 15 plus 3 minus 2 equals 16. I know this can seem some difficult, but I know that you are learning in Spanish too. So I know you can do this in English. The only thing that changed is the words in English, because add and minus are the same. We can use the same in the whole word. So the only thing it changed is the vocabulary. So 15 equals the ragdolls that Candice had before. 3 is the number the ragdolls that Candice got on her birthday. 2 equals the ragdolls that Candice puppy eat. 16 equals the ragdolls that Candy has now. Now it says, underline the question. So you are going to underline the question on the before paragraph. And then copy the solution here. You're going to copy the solution. What is the solution? So the math, the plus minus 15 plus 3 minus 2 equals 16. Then what operation did we use to solve Candy's problem? So what operation we use? Write the letter here. Letter A. We added twice, so we say plus 2 times. Letter B. We add and subtract, we say plus and minus. Or C. We subtract twice, we say minus 2 times. Write the correct word on the rectangle. Finish? Okay. Exercise number 2. Get into pairs in this picture of the word problem. Circle what was add and cross out what was subtract. So like we are not in the school, we're going to do it by yourself. So in this picture, look at the pictures and circle what was add. So what do we say that was plus, and cross out what was subtract. Look at, there is the dog, the puppy that eat 2 dolls, and then there is the box that has 15 dolls, and then we have a present that Candice had for her birthday, and she got 3 dolls. Circle the plus and cross out the minus. Well, continue. Page 132. Pay attention to the plus sign and the minus signs when you turn a word problem into an operation. Exercise 3. Find information and the question in this word problem. So, listen carefully about this word problem. You can follow me by reading or you can listen. Continue. Cedric had 12 stamps. He traded one of them for 3 that Lani gave him. Then he threw away 2 that were damaged. How many stamps does Cedric have? Alright, so with this word problem, we are going to answer these little questions. And first we have information. What was the information about the word problem? The information is the numbers of the things we are going to make maths. Question. The question, I will give it to you. The question is, how many stamps does Cedric have? So you are going to write the question. And the last rectangle, it says the solution. What is the solution? You are going to write the math problem. Okay, remember the information. You are going to write over there the numbers that the word problem already gave it to you. For more help, you can look at the last page 132 for like an example. When you're finished, we are going to continue on the part 2 of the video, Why Citizen. See you to the next video. Bye.